Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerston's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape. What I have here is a tablescape for two, and I brought it outdoors again. As I told you, during the summer, I will spend, spring and summer, I will spend most of my time outside. So let me tell you a little bit about my tablescape. The tablecloth is from the Dollar Tree. The plates are from the Dollar Tree. The chargers are from At Home, I think. The silverware is from Tuesday Morning. The little glasses are from the Dollar Tree, and they came with the little flowers around them. The little lantern you see there is from Goodwill, and I placed a flower inside. The pineapple that it's setting in is from the Dollar Tree. The flowers that I have here tied on the table are from the Dollar Tree, and I made the bow. The tic-tac-toe, I can't remember where I purchased that, but it's just a little game of tic-tac-toe, so you can play after dinner. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and Emerston's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape Tuesday. I will be leaving the ladies' information in my description box, so you all make sure you go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape Tuesday. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.